Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this short video, we take a look at direct and inverse variation. Direct variation looks something like, y is equal to k times x. So there's a direct variation between x and y here. Alternatively, you've got inverse variation, in which case you've got y is equal to k over x. So let's just solve these two problems because they will be important to know how to solve when you get to your online homework. So in particular, let's start with problem 1. We have to find the variation constant in an equation of variation if y varies directly with x and y equals 12 when x is equal to 4. Okay, so first we have to find the variation constant, so let's do that. So for the variation constant, we plug in what we know into the direct variation formula. So we get 12 equals k times x, which is 4. So in this equation, we can see that in order to solve for k, we just need to divide both sides by 4, which ends up giving us k is equal to 3. So there's our variation constant. Now we need to give the equation of variation. Well, that's pretty straightforward. We just basically plug in our value of k back into the original formula. So we get y is equal to 3x. Okay, let's do the same thing for the second problem. In the second problem, though, we've got they ask us to find the variation constant in an equation of variation if y varies inversely with x and y is 10 when x is 5. So because y varies inversely with x, we're using this formula up here, y is equal to k over x. So we plug in what we know, 10 is y, and that's going to be equal to k over x. So k over x here is 5. Okay, and then to solve for k, we just need to take both sides of this equation and multiply by 5. This leaves us with 50 is equal to k. So now we've got our variation constant. We just need to plug it back into our original formula, which means we have y is equal to 50 over x. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, but hopefully this will be enough to help you complete section 6.8's homework since we didn't have the time to cover it in class. Anyway, enjoy your break, and I'll see you all in the next video.